Find the exact value of sine cosine inverse 12 over 13 plus pi over 2. Okay, this is an angle, because when we find the value of cosine inverse of 12 over 13, this will be an angle plus another angle. It's like sine of A plus B. Two angles are alpha plus beta. And we have the formula for sine A plus B. Okay, this is not simply sine A plus sine B. Okay, that's not true. What is true? Sine A plus B is sine A cosine B plus cosine A sine B. So this is like A and pi over 2 is B. Now we're going to follow this formula, and from this we get sine A, so sine of cosine inverse of 12 over 13. I don't have to put parentheses around. Sine A cosine B pi over 2. Okay, that's the first term, plus cosine A, so cosine A is cosine inverse of 12 over 13, cosine A, sine B, so sine B is pi over 2. Okay, now we need to evaluate the value of sine of cosine inverse 12 over 3. So based on this, we draw a right triangle, and from there we find the value of sine of this. Okay, but if you are careful enough, look at this carefully. Cosine of pi over 2, what is the value of cosine pi over 2? That's 0. So since this is 0, and 0 times this number will be 0 as well, so we don't have to find anything here. This is just 0. 0 times this number is 0, plus cosine of cosine inverse, I mean they cancel provided this number is less than 1, and that is the case. 12 over 13 is less than 1. So these two are inverses to each other, so this survives 12 over 13 times sine pi over 2, and sine pi over 2 is just 1. So 12 over 13 times 1 is 12 over 13 plus 0. So the final answer is 12 over 13.